Hello everyone, and how is it going? On today's video, we're going to learn how to buy WeGro coin in few simple steps. For this one, you already need to have a MetaMask wallet and a Binance account. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is just open MetaMask, just click on your wallet ID, could be seen on upper right side of your screen, click add network, head over to the link in the description which says connecting MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain, scroll a little bit down and here you will find some credentials. And simply add these credentials on the respective fields to add a network. Once you're done with credentials, just click on save. Now you have to set your MetaMask to allow Binance Smart Chain transactions. Please do not skip this step. Step 2. Buying BNB on Binance. Just head over to binance.com, click on buy crypto and just click on credit or debit card. Select your fiat currency by clicking on the first icon showing a currency and simply buy BNB. Enter the amount you want to spend and click on continue. Step 3. Transferring to your MetaMask. Open your Binance wallet, click on withdraw on BNB, enter your MetaMask wallet ID from the top of your MetaMask web extension and select the amount you want to withdraw, or you can click on this max. After that, head over to pancakeswap.com, click on connect wallet, just go through this simple step and you can see your wallet is connected on upper right side of your screen. And finally, head over to wegrocoin.com, click on the buy now button, enter the amount of WeGro coin you want to buy, click the setting icon, it is just above the BNB amount. In this field under the slippage tolerance, enter a higher percentage, try 8 or 10%. Click swap and click confirm swap. You should redirect it to a view of your MetaMask wallet, confirm the transaction, and now you should see your wallet contains WeGro. So that's it. I really wish you understood the process of buying WeGro coin, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Until next one, peace.